There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. A little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. After failing at, what do you call it, trying to cut glass, I bought a piece of plexiglass for about 18 bucks. Now, I've never cut plexiglass before, and I can't figure out where the hell my little mini power saw is, so I gotta use, I'm guessing a handsaw might work, so bear with me, because I bet you it's gonna end in lots of failure. So, this side of the way, this side of the way, this side of the way. I'm guessing I need to, clamping this down might probably be a good idea. I'm assuming if it's plastic, yeah. What happened here? Mic went dead? What's the mic level? Okay, microphone's got a low battery. Well, I'll try to tough it through this. Anyway, I'm probably gonna get a jigsaw because I'm cutting this by hand with a handsaw, as I can't find my saws right now. So I'll get back to you in a minute on this after I'm done, because it's just pretty boring and it's loud. So bear with me. Turntables and a microphone. Hello folks, I did end up finding my jigsaw cut out little piece, which, oh my god, as a jigsaw so much easier than this goddamn thing. And again, nobody uses freaking handsaws for very much these days. So anyway, I got the measurements of this, which is 16 inches long by, what the hell was the other one now? Hold on a second, I'll tell you. By 5.5 inches. I gotta make it a little less than 5.5 inches because I'm putting an edging around it. And the edging has about, maybe, let's see, has at least an 1/8 of an inch. So it's about 5 1/4. A little bit more than 5 1/4. So this is 16 1/2 this way. I gotta cut one piece. I'll make it a little bit bigger than, yeah, right about, actually, yeah, 5 3/8, good enough. I gotta cut some off, no big deal. Excuse me. Da, 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 da. Got it right there. Ta-da. Now, I will spare you the grief on this one, and I'll show you what I'm doing in a minute after I cut this up. Alright folks, my evil plan is to do this. Use a piece of edging from this piece right here, see? Little piece of edging with another little piece of edging up here that I'm going to cut. And then I'll use another little piece of edging right here. And then I'll use another little piece of edging from here. Kind of make a frame for it, even though it should be kind of like this. All I'm doing is I'm making a frame so I don't wreck the corners of it. Basically what I use is, this was a piece of plastic molding around a glass from inside of a fridge. I'm going to cut it probably a little better. So anyway, yeah, I'll give it a little snip snip and I'll show you the end results. I might just tape it on temporarily. So yeah, I'll show you what I'm doing. But I'm putting it next to my air conditioner, so I want it plastic and I want it to stay in there nice. So that's what I'm doing. I'll show you what I'm doing next.